Good day, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. I got caught up today, so I was putting batteries in my torque wrenches. Make sure they were all working. I've had these for quite some time. I'm not a big fan of Snap-on, but you get the point. That's the 1/2 inch, the 3/8 drive, 1/4 inch drive. I was just putting batteries in them, making sure all my fuel line disconnect tools were here, and then my relay testers, making sure they were all still there. Cleaning out, putting my trash up. Got a package there for A-Rod. That's a surprise for A-Rod. Had to move my AC machine over. Just kind of cleaning things out. Caught a break. What are you guys doing today? I'm not a big Snap-on fan. I have Snap-on tools. I'm not a big Snap-on fan. I have some Snap-on stuff that I have never used that I may give away, or I may give to A-Rod to give away. Yeah, let me know. One of them being, hang on, let me see if I can find it right quick. One of them being the 35-piece screw extractor. It's all there. And then the other one is the terminal toolkit. I like my Matco one better. And it tells you what the green handles are for GM systems, red handles. So I think I might give those to A-Rod to give away.